After completing this module, you will be able to decode UN specification package marks, familiarise with different types of tests that apply to specific types of packagings. Dangerous Goods Regulations Section 6 explains the specifications, tests and specification marking requirements for the UN specification packagings and the test criteria for limited quantity packagings. It is the manufacturers and subsequent distributors of packaging's responsibility to provide information regarding procedures to be followed to ensure that packages as presented for transport are capable of passing the applicable performance tests as described in the Dangerous Goods Regulations Section 6. In addition, a packaging design type is defined by the design, size, material and thickness, manner of construction, and packing, which may include various surface treatments. Numerals and capital letters must be used to identify the kinds of packaging and type of material used for a dangerous goods package. The specification marks include symbols, codes, letters, and numbers, which indicate that the packaging that bears it corresponds to a successfully tested design type and that it complies with the provisions of Dangerous Goods Regulations Section 6. The marks must be durable, legible, and placed in a location that is readily visible. Packagings of types 1H1, 1H2, 3H1 and 3H2 must also be appropriately marked with the month of manufacture. Implementing the correct requirements of Section 6 means complying with the regulations. Your role is essential for safety.